In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView newsfeed. The news flow is a built-in stream of market headlines that helps you understand what's moving prices in real time. I'll show you how to open it, what you're looking at, and how to narrow it down so you only see the updates that matter to you. To open the news flow, go to the TradingView main menu, open the Products drop-down, and choose News Flow. The News Flow panel loads as a clean list that updates continuously, so you don't need to refresh. This keeps everything in one place while you're analyzing charts, so you can move between technicals and headlines without leaving your workspace. Once it's open, you'll see a list of news items with the latest stories at the top. Each item shows a clear headline, the provider or source, and a timestamp so you know exactly how fresh it is. Click any headline to expand details in the panel. Skim the source to gauge credibility and glance at the time to understand whether a move you're seeing on the chart might be news-driven or just normal volatility. To focus on what matters, use the filters at the top of the news list. The watch list filter shows news related only to tickers on your personal watch list. If your watch list is already tailored to your strategy, this instantly removes the noise and surfaces only your symbols. The symbol filter narrows the feed to a single asset, like AAPL or BTCUSD, which is perfect when you're doing deep research on one chart and want every headline tied to it. You can also filter by market to see only stocks, Forex, crypto, commodities, and more. If you're switching asset classes throughout the day, this is a fast way to keep the feed aligned with your current focus. Region filters the feed by geography, helpful if you trade sessions like Europe or the US, or track localized headlines that can impact listed companies. Provider lets you focus on specific news sources, which is useful if you prefer certain styles of reporting. And corporate collects company announcements such as earnings, stock splits, and dividends, so you can quickly spot scheduled events that may change liquidity and volatility. You can combine multiple filters to get a tight, relevant feed and then loosen them as your focus broadens. That's all you need to confidently navigate the TradingView news flow and turn headlines into context for your trades.